all the students of class 4. Today I will tell you about the producers of food, the green plants. Before I tell you about the chapter, I want to tell about the producers. Listen, producers are photosynthesizing organisms that are any kind of green plants. They make their food by taking sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. During this process, the sugar or glucose is formed to make anything such as food, leaves, roots and bark of plant. Example are a white oak and American beech. After learning about producers, now listen about the importance of plants. Listen, plants are very important. All the food which we eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. We obtain wood for making furnitures and make medicines from medicinal plants and very important things life giving oxygen etc. You tell me that why plant and leaves look green. Listen. Leaves has green pigment called chlorophyll that takes green color to the plants and leaves. You learned that green plants are producers because green plants make their food with the help of carbon dioxide from atmosphere, sunlight and water minerals from the soil and chlorophyll the green pigment. This process is called photosynthesis. During the photosynthesis, the food that is formed, which is a simple sugar in the form of glucose. This glucose or simple sugar is used by plant to produce energy for the growth of plant and remaining glucose is converted into starch, that is extra food. This extra food is stored in the leaves, stem, roots, fruits and seeds. Tell, how do plants use their food? Listen, plants use their food for their survival and growth and repairing worn out tissues, worn out cells and build new cells. During the process of photosynthesis, simple sugar is formed in leaves and oxygen gas is released out in the air through stomata. Stomata are the tiny holes present in the leaf, mainly in the lower surface of the leaf. The leaves are important for the photosynthesis. Listen about the parts of leaves. If we take any leaf and observe the lower surface of the leaf, we see a thick vein running along the center of the leaf. It is main vein. It is called midrib. The main vein has number of veins called side veins. These veins help in bringing water and minerals from the stem, carrying out prepared food to other parts of the plant, and flat part of leaf is called leaf blade. You learned earlier that green leaves made their food with the help of chlorophyll, but some other plants that have no chlorophyll, how do these plants make the food? For example, cactus plant that is no green leaves. In cactus, green leaves are modified into thorns. Their soft and green stem prepare food for plant. Some non-green plants like molds and mushrooms have no chlorophyll, so they cannot make their food. They feed on dead and decaying plants and animals. In croton, the green color is less. The red pigment in the leaves hides the green color of chlorophyll, but the presence of chlorophyll leaves allowed photosynthesis and make their food. During photosynthesis, plants use sun's energy with water and carbon dioxide to prepare the food that is used by humans and animals. In their turn, animals and humans give out carbon dioxide in atmosphere. This carbon dioxide is absorbed plants. So this cycle goes on and on. From this sun's energy flow in the world of living things. Thanks.